we're waiting in line to get a ride in one of these Broncos. Pretty stoked. We asked for the most reckless driver you can give us. Apparently that's one of us, but they're still not going to let us drive. So, see, this should be good.
I did this switch on it. If anybody's ever driven a tractor, yep. Okay. Got 2 brake pedals on a tractor.
You got the dig, right?
Yep, pretty much. That's what it is. The goat modes go over all terrain. We put these things through their paces already. Yeah. They've had several years of development, but the last 2 days we've hammered them. Yeah.
Because it's Hammertown.
It's Hammertown. And it keeps going. There's no stopping. It's phenomenal. Kurt? Oh, hello. Here's your group for you. A group. Yep. Yep.
Can you handle it?
I'm Bubba.
He can
Tony.
handle anything. Kurt.
Nice to meet you, Kurt.
So I'm Kurt Leduc. I've raced off-road for 30-something years, and got to be a part of this program, and let's go see what it'll do.
Yep. Let's get in.
Display in the dash shows that you're in 4-wheel drive. It turns on the front view camera. I like to turn off the sway arm. And then we go.
Nice.
Oh, yeah.
2.7 twin turbo. Ride drive. I mean, this was big for Ford to come out as a manufacturer. And
Now, have you driven the rumored Warthog yet?
yes,
How is it?
impressive. It's the Raptor version. If I said anything about the Warthog, it would be that.
Okay.
It's the Raptor version of this. How extreme do you want to drive it? The beauty of this is on the highway with the independent front suspension is the street drivability is better than some other vehicles.
So is the Warthog, it's still independent, right?
Yes, everything's all independent.
It's got more horsepower and more shock.
This only has 33s. This is the Badlands version. They all have the same powertrain, except the one that's open top here is a 4-cylinder turbo manual transmission. So it has that super low rock crawling transmission in it.
Right.
If that's what you're doing.
I like to go fast though, so.
Well, that's how I got a trophy run.
That's my kind of guy.
It wasn't from locking the hubs in, I can tell you that. Don't mean that in a bad way.
Right, no, absolutely.
I love it.
So yeah, I've won trophy truck championship, and I still race a trophy truck in my old age. I don't know why, because I'm 20 years old when I'm behind the wheel.
Exactly.
So as we get up to the sand hill up here, we will put it in sand mode.
Okay.
But again, you don't have to stop. This has a thing called turn assist. We'll demonstrate up here in the sand. Select the sand.
But you're still in high range, right?
Yes.
Unbelievable.
But it's a twin turbo. It just makes torque, it makes power. Okay, so this is our turn assist.
Okay.
Oh, nice.
It's activated once you get up into the bump zone of the travel. So like it would be an air bump on a race car, right? A King bump stop.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A Fox bump
A bump
stop.
zone?
Yeah. So it has a bump zone.
Sweet.
The Warthog has something more advanced. Anyways, they're over there, so we'll just park right here.
So with that Warthog topic,
Yeah.
I'm a reservation holder for a first edition.
Wow.
Should I be a reservation holder for a Warthog instead?
Yes.
I love it. This is my new best friend.
Kurt Leduc, off-road driver, Hall of Fame, Baja 1000 winner, and now Bronco demonstrator.
And rule flexor. That's what we love about him. This thing is incredible. Turning brakes like a dune buggy. We got air. We climb sand. We hauled ass. I'm a little bit terrified about how well this performs. I spent a shitload of money on my Jeep, and I'm not sure I can keep up with this thing. Damn it!
I don't think so.
Stop it, but there's the guy that built my Jeep and he says I can't.
Manually, that's it. You know,
Okay.
that's in low ranges, rock crawl mode, mud ruts. That's the only time you can lock the front one in.
Okay.
You can't lock it in at high speed.
It's a laser nut over there.
Yeah. There's a little challenge area there. And so I'm going to demonstrate to you guys the sway bar
Okay.
disconnect, right? We agree we're on
Rear connected.
2 wheels, right?
Yep, yep.
Disconnect the sway bar, and it levels it right back out.
And I want to note, it did it under a load.
Under
Yeah,
a load.
Which
yes.
is
Don't do that.
No.
Yep.
And they learned from that.
Yeah. Well, all the Bronco guys had to do was look at a Jeep and find all the things wrong with it and build this.
And care to make it better.
Yeah.
I mean, that's the biggest
That's
thing.
the biggest thing. They listen to the customer.
Consumer.
Yeah, the consumer.
And they have over 200 accessories that are available through Ford to put on these. See?
What are you getting? Holy crap, I'm getting a Bronco. I've got one on reservation and I have no regrets now.